Good morning, my lovely students. I am Maths teacher Iskiran. Welcome you all back to the another session of Maths online classes. So, student, today I have brought a new topic, new chapter for you all. So, before proceeding, what you have to do, you know very well. That you have to do use the headphones for the better listening, for the better sound. So, what I am speaking, you will get easily and take out your textbook, notebooks, and get ready for the today's class. So, students, today's topic is that algebraic expression. What is that? Algebraic expression, chapter number 6. Do you know, beta, what is expression? What is algebraic expression? Do you know? I think what is written, you can see on the board that expression. It means the combination of literals or variables. Okay, constant and literals, you can say. It means the numbers, the terms, which is combination of constant or variables and separated by any mathematical sign, addition, subtraction, this way. That is called algebraic expression. That is called algebraic expression. So you can see an expression which is combination of variables and constant and separated by addition or subtraction. Supposed to be 2x plus 3y. Yeah, 3y square minus 2x square plus 5z. So these all are what? This is called algebraic expression. Why? Because 2x it means constant number and variable number, both are together, and minus 5z, it means they are separated by mathematical symbol also. Subtraction, addition, multiplication, these all are called algebraic expression. So students, here two different words came, that is first literals. Do you know what is literals? Literals means variables. Variables, it means does not have the fixed value. Literals means variables. Variables means does not have the fixed value. Okay, variables, it means vary. From vary it comes variable, जो बार बार चेंज हो सकता है बेटा, वेरिएशन है. कहते हैं ना कि इसको कुछ पता ही नहीं है क्या बोलता है, क्या करता है, हर वक्त इसका देखता है स्टेटमेंट चेंज करता है हमेशा. तो कहने का मतलब वेरी मींस मे डिफर, दैट इज वेरिएबल. ठीक है, तो वेरिएबल इसमें वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड वेरिएबल. इट डज नॉट हैव फिक्स्ड वैल्यू. आपका इसमें फिक्स्ड वैल्यू नहीं होता है. तो फिक्स्ड वैल्यू नहीं होता तो फिर होता क्या है? तो राम रहीम एक्स वाई जेड एल एम एन ओ पी कुछ भी डाल सकते हो. मैथ्स में आप कुछ भी डाल सकते हो. ठीक है, तो राम रहीम बस मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया आपको समझाने के लिए. फिर राम रहीम तो मैं मैथ्स में लिखोगे नहीं आप, तो आप लिख सकते हो अल्फाबेट ए बी सी डी एक्स डब्ल्यू वाई जेड. तो आप अल्फाबेट यूज कर सकते हो, और उस अल्फाबेट पे कौन सा नंबर आएगा, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू से. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू से एट दैट प्लेस व्हाट नंबर विल कम्स और व्हाट नंबर विल कम्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो x y z l m etc. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सी स्टूडेंट्स, तो लिटरल्स, इट इज ऑल अबाउट लिटरल्स. सेकंड थिंग्स आर कांस्टेंट. व्हाट इज कांस्टेंट? Constant, it means having the fixed value which cannot be changed. Supposed to be 10 is given. 10 means 10, neither 11 nor 9. That is 10. It means having the fixed value which cannot be changed. ठीक है बेटा, तो हम कांस्टेंट का मतलब होता है जिसे हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, that cannot be changed. Okay, and which having the fixed value. So it is called constant. See that here is example 2x plus 7. If I ask to you all, then of this given example, if I ask you which is the constant, then constant is the 7. All numerical value you can consider as a constant. Numerical value called constant because numerical value cannot be changed. Numerical value is the constant which cannot be changed. Okay, but apart from it, 2x. So 2x, it means 2 is the numerical value, so it is considered as constant. But x is a literal, it means variable. It is variable. At the place of x, any numbers can be put. Any numbers, any values can be present. So that is called literal. Students, now it is next topic, constant term. You do know constant term. Supposed to be asked constant, it means having fixed value, that is called constant. And I'm asking about constant term. Then what is the 2x? Supposed to be it is constant. Then it is constant term. Supposed to be 7. Then 7 is constant, so it is constant term. So it means we can say fixed value term is called constant term. Okay, where the value which cannot be changed, which cannot be replaced, that value, that term is called constant term. On same way, literal term or variable term, you can say as it is, the fixed value, sorry, does not have the fixed value, called does not have the fixed value, that term is called variable term. Okay, students. So, the next topic, factors of a term. What is factors of a term? Factors of a term. Every term is a product of its factors. Every term is found as a factors of its term. Are you getting my point? वो जो term होता है बेटा, वो हर term इसके factors का वो product होता है. ठीक है? Suppose to be minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. अब आप इसको क्या कह सकते हो? ये एक एक्सप्रेशन हो गया. एक्सप्रेशन क्यों हो गया? मैंने आपको बताया था already, as I told you that expression which is a combination of constant and variables and separated by multiplication symbol or sign, addition, subtraction, multiplication, already I expressed. So it is called expression. Why? Because here mathematical sign are also there, or variables term, constant terms, these all are given. It means we can say it is expression. Second point, see, apart from it, in this expression, what is the first term? Minus ab. Second term, 2b square. Third term, minus 3a square. I am asking about term. These all are terms of this expression. Are you getting my point? These are terms. See now, if I ask about factors, what is the factor? If I ask about ab, what is the factor of ab? Minus 1 will be there. Minus 1. If I multiply by 1 to any numbers, doesn't matter variables or constant. Answer will be same. ab, it means minus 1, a and b. These are the factor of this term. Minus 2b square. 2b square means 2 into b. Then it will become 2b square. So it is the factor of this term. On same way, minus 1, 3, a. These all are the factors of minus 3a square. So it's all about the factors of the term. Already I have told that the product of factors. Product of factors called factors of term. See, coefficient. What is coefficient? It has either numerical or algebraic factor. Yeah, it means either it has what? Numerical value or the algebraic value. It means constant or variable term they will come. See as example, 10x is there. 10x is there. Which will be the coefficient? It means 10 is the coefficient of x. Are you getting my point? 10 is the coefficient of x. So, students, it's all about the today's class, today's discussion about the algebraic expression, and I hope that people have understood. And if any confusion, suspicion, any types of doubt you have, you can contact on my number. You can collect my number from WhatsApp group and you can discuss with me. And the rest part of this topic, rest part of this exercise, we will continue in the next video. Till that, be healthy, stay at your home. Bye bye. Thank you.